The sun awning geometry and dimensions can be defined simply by customizing specific sections in the Properties pane, but it can also be defined graphically, having the same functionalities of the 3D magnetic grid object. Working in the floor plan levels, we can modify some of the dimensions, for example the width and the overhang. With the object selected, moving the cursor over a segment, this will then be highlighted in light blue. This allows us to select that specific segment. In fact, the highlighted segment here now has a central grip, and these round grips at the ends that, once enabled, allow you to move and rotate the object around. If we click in a different point, the selected segment immediately shows the relating dimensions. And if we use the two triangular grips here at the ends to vary the length, you'll notice that the opposite grip is held in position, while the total dimension is automatically updated. Once we have reached the desired dimension, a simple click sets the end point. The dimension can also be defined by manual input by typing in the value directly from the keyboard. Of course, in the very same way, we can also define the depth.